Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar. This machine was brought in because the brew boiler wasn't heating. It needed a new temperature probe, which we replaced. The vacuum release valve on the steam boiler also was leaking, so we replaced that and then did a tune-up, replacing the group head, the screen, or the group head gasket, the screen rather, cleaning, doing the D-scale. They don't offer the original temperature probes anymore, so we had to use another one, and it's not as long, so it doesn't submerge as much into the water as the previous one. And so we actually found that we had to adjust the temperature setting on the PID. You'll see that it reads 60 Celsius, which is much lower than it usually needs to be. But when we had it at the regular temp setting, it was way over 200 degrees in the group head and steam was coming out. So lowering it to 60 here on the PID actually makes it come out in the high 190s and then up to 200 degrees coming out the group head. So that's how that works. Alright, so let's give it a run. You see the pressure is good there. Steam boiler. You will see a slight drip outside of the discharge of the E61. We let the customer know. It does need an overhaul. Some of the gaskets in there, and that is the reason for the leak. Shuts a little fast, right? It's probably a bit worse. Either that or we could have put more coffee in the portafilter. But you can definitely see it's working. Steam is going, and we'll do a little hot water too. Alright, there you have it. Expobar working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.